So ayun guys, magandang hapon. Quick video lang ngayon at merong niregalo sa atin si Ma'am Catherine. And I think si asawa ni Coach Edsel. Sobrang laki ng flowers. Yan, at meron ding pillow ng buntis, letter U. Yan, at ibibigay natin kay Bakit, aka Buntis. Ayan, at hi! Flowers for you!
Is that for me?
Yes!
Wow!
Yes, and Ma'am Cat. Not for me.
Not from you?
Yes, ma'am. Kay Ma'am Cat.
Ah,
So big, ah.
so sweet. From FX Robot Empire.
Hello, Robert Empire.
Ay, magagamit ko to.
Yeah. Nagambal na siya. Ano siya?
Body bolster pillow. Wow. It's for the buntis. It's for the buntis. Thank you, FX Robot Empire, Coach Edsel, and Ma'am Cat.
Thank you for the love.
Thank you so much. Grabe, laki naman ni Rek. Oh. Parang never pa ako nabigyan ni Hergie ng ganito. Thank you.